Hey guys, this is Josh Tech here, and for today's video guys is we're going to unbox another smartwatch from Haylou. This is the Solar Neo. Let's go. Hey guys, this is Josh here. Welcome back to our channel. And yes guys, we're very excited because we have another smartwatch from Haylou, and this is the Solar Neo. And yes, take a look at the packaging guys. It looks really nice, and it looks really premium, and it says their power in self. So without further ado guys, let's open the box. All right, so it's in here. Okay. So we have here our Haylou smartwatch. All right, so let's set that aside. And what else? We have here the manual, okay, Haylou Solar Neo smartwatch manual, and also the charging cable. It's magnetic. That's nice. Okay, so this is our watch, guys. So let's take this one out. The screen, guys, it looks really nice. And on the side, so we have here the crown, and there's an H logo there. And at the back, so we have here the sensors and the charging pins. And also on the left, we have here the speaker grill, and here is the strap. Okay, and it looks really not too light. It's just in the middle. It's not too light, and also it's not that heavy. So here on the side, so we have your power and sport. Okay, and then let's turn it on. All right, so it says there Haylou. Okay, and we have here the Haylou Neo Solar. So okay, let's try to manipulate. Okay, when you try to uh, move the crown, then it will change the watch face. So they have one, two, three, four, five. Okay, we've got four watch faces. And let's look at the features, guys. So let's try to scroll down. So we have here the shortcuts, the Bluetooth. All right. And then when you swipe up, so it will uh, take us to the notifications. And then when we try to tap here, the button, so we have sports. So we have the outdoor walk, run, indoor running, indoor walking, outdoor cycling, mountaineering, hiking, and lots of uh, things or sports modes that you can choose. All right, and then let's try to check the features. So we have here heart rate, right? So it will measure your heart rate, as you can see when you are going to measure it. Okay, so it's very sensitive, so it can really detect if you're not wearing the watch. Then we have here activity, sleep, stress, telephone. We also have here SpO2. Okay, it's nice. And breathe, weather. We also have your calendar. All right. SOS, alarm, stopwatch timer. We also have here calculator, camera control, music, notifications, find phone, flashlight, and we have here the settings. So you can choose on the choices that you want or for the menu. All right. So I've actually used this one, guys, for a couple of weeks, and all I can say is that this one is really great, especially when it comes to the design and also the durability of the watch. Battery life is really superb. You can use this one for 1 week without having to worry about the battery. And what else, guys, is that it is IP68 uh, proof, so it means that it can be splashed into the water, so you don't have to really worry about it. All right, so guys, let me know about your thoughts of our new Haylou Solar Neo in the comments below. And yes, guys, if you like this video, and by the way, if you're interested about this product, just tap on the link in the description box. I put it there and you can check them out. Okay, so guys, once again, if you like this video, can you click the thumbs up and also consider subscribing to our channel. Once again, this is Josh, and I will see you in our next video.